Hello class! We've read many stories together, but what really makes the story? Today we're going to look at the different parts that help us make a story in order. A simple story has 3 parts, including a beginning, middle, and end. The beginning is how the story starts. Then something happens in the middle, and then we see how everything works out in the end. The beginning of a story tells us what or who the subject is. It can begin with first. The middle of a story tells us what happens to the subject and usually involves some kind of change. It can start with then. The end of a story tells us how the story stops and usually tells us how the big change impacted the subject. It can start with lastly. In this example story I wrote, there is a beginning, a middle, and end. Take a look at the circled keywords and determine if you can see which color is which part of the story. That's right! Starting here at first at the top in blue, that is our beginning because it starts the story and we know it has the keyword first. Then we're going to move to then, which shows us it is the middle of the story there in yellow. Lastly, down here in green, we have the keyword lastly, and it's at the end, so we know that is our ending. Now that we've seen how we can put our story together in order using our keywords, I hope you guys can use these going forward writing your own stories, and we can look at the different parts of a story each time we do a read aloud. Here are the credits for all the materials used to make this video, and thank you so much for watching!